Okay, let me take you through the construction of the solar motion demonstrator. You're going to need the following pieces of equipment. You're going to need some construction paper, scissors, and some glue. Okay, the first thing to do, of course, is to cut out the two pieces. Cut out, first of all, the frame piece, which is here on the left, and the horizon disc here on the right. After you've cut those out, then glue each to the construction paper and then recut, such that it then looks like this, like so. So each of the pieces, the frame piece and the horizon disc now have already been glued to construction paper. Okay, next, take a look at the frame piece here in detail. Notice that there is this black space here, and then it goes over to here as well. It says remove within that black space. So what you have to do with the scissors is you have to punch through and then carefully cut out this area here that says remove. Once you've done that, it should then look like this. Okay, then there are some folds here on the frame piece as well. There is, first of all, what is called fold 1, which is right here and here. There is fold 2, which is right here, and then fold 3, which is right here. What you want to do is you want to crease all of the folds, so make sure that you do that next. Okay, now on the horizon disc, notice what I've done here at the position of due north. I've taken some scissors and I've cut out here a rather sizable notch. That's the next step. Go ahead and then do that. Okay, the next step here is to now finally assemble the solar motion demonstrator. What you have to do is you have to take the northeast quadrant, that's right here on the horizon disc, and then glue that to this quarter circle, which is right here on the frame piece. So this portion right here of the horizon disc, the northeast quadrant, gets glued onto here. Once you've glued it, then this notch here fits into the left-hand side of the demonstrator where it says latitude. Once you have correctly assembled the demonstrator, it should look like this, like so. So notice in the previous slide, right here, I've glued the northeast quadrant of the horizon disc onto the frame piece. And then right here is the notch at north. That will then fit into the latitude, which once again then looks like this. As a last step, notice that using some marker, I've drawn 3 lines here. This line here on the calendar represents the June solstice. This line here represents the winter solstice. And then through September and also through March, right here, this line represents the equinoxes. So that's probably the last step, is to draw those 3 lines, okay?